If you want to find out the right career for yourself, you need to understand what your drivers are. What are the things that drive your choices in your career and in your lifestyle? And to help you with this, we have a thing called the Richmond Career Driver Survey. You'll find it on pages 7, 8 and 9 of the booklet, the workbook. This questionnaire contains 36 statements in pairs. You're asked, for instance, just at random, I want to do something distinctively different from others, or I usually take the safe option. So take those two statements and see which of them has more meaning for you. If it's really about doing something distinctively different from others and you're not interested in the safe option, score 3 for doing something distinctively different and 0 for taking the safe option. If it's a bit of both, well, you might want to do something more different rather than the safe option, so it's going to be 2-1, and that's the way the questionnaire works. Now remember, you can't split the points to go 1.5, 1.5, and you can't dodge the question. I'm sorry, it's a bit of a bind, but this is how you get to your drivers. When you are finished, you will find that each driver has a letter beside it in the questions, and you tot up the A scores, B, C, D, E, all the way up to I. And the 9 totals then, you'll transfer to page 10. So if you look at page 10 and pop your numbers into page 10, I've just put a sample number there on the graphic, and the highest score is what you're looking for. But be careful to read the instructions at the bottom, because for most people, their career drivers are a combination of 2 or 3 central drivers. For example, some people who work in the media will tell you it's a combination of doing meaningful work in an area where expertise is valued and doing it creatively. So it's going to take a bit of time, but it's really worth the effort. There are other things out there. There are questionnaires in emotional intelligence, how you manage stress, because that comes into careers, and there's also stuff out there to do with traits and so forth. But remember to pick a good questionnaire. Some of the stuff that you'll see online is very, very poor and gives unreliable results. So now that you've got your drivers out there, add that to your list. You're looking for a career that embodies those things in combination. By the way, if you look at careers or jobs that weren't successful, you'll usually find out that they were based on the wrong driver. For example, some people go for a safe and secure job just for the money and wind up being miserable because their basic driver, like meaning, is not being met. I hope that hasn't happened to you.